Is your iPhone overheating after the iOS 17 update? Don't worry. Follow this easy and advanced troubleshooting process to fix iPhone overheating or warming issue after the recent update. So, let's begin. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple restart on iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 2. Check iPhone storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and check your storage capacity. If you are running out of storage, then free up your iPhone storage. You can delete some unnecessary apps and games and also delete some photos and videos to have some free storage. And then restart your iPhone. Method 3. Turn off the background app refresh. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Background App Refresh, tap on it again, select Off to turn off this option. Method 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset. Reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset all settings again. After doing these processes, hope your iPhone overheating problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.